we are refining now the type of services that we can provide to our customers and prospects to become more intelligent. And also from a product standpoint, so we are introducing new capabilities to make a contact to this analytics easier for users. For example, so we are providing natural language capabilities now that enable a user to interact with analytics without opening a dashboard. I mean, just asking a question, you get an answer. And we are also developing some voice assistant capabilities that the same topic. You are talking to an Alexa, for example, and you are getting the answer that you expect using our analytics platform. And finally, we also introduced today new functionalities in terms of cloud. Cloud is a big topic in UK. We have a big adoption. We were working with AWS. We are now working as well with Azure, who is a key player in this area.